I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, the easiest place to shop and get all of your needs met with Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. You can head over here. They've got gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Steam, Uber, Instacart, Airbnb, Apple. The list goes on, but they have you covered. You can be living on a Bitcoin standard like me, and BitRefill has been a godsend. So head to bitrefill.com and use code BTC Sessions at checkout for discounts.
It's time for us to build our own community. I personally think that Bitcoiners are, very important. Bitcoiners are critical, second layer of Bitcoin, in my opinion. And that it's wonderful to see how people are actually connecting to one another, and then, face to face, heart to heart, and interact with each other. And that's very essential. And, you guys probably know what's happening, but, the World Economic Forum, they just had an annual meeting in mid-January, right, in Switzerland, the Davos, and that they basically talked about, their way of engineering economy and using metaverse, and, basically we would just own nothing and be happy, right? That's their agenda. And they want us to be dependent on their system. And I think that it's essential that we start to rely on ourselves and, start producing goods. And then, what Ben talks about, this beef example is a good one, that we all of us have things to share. And that it's just we can connect on social media, but it's time for us to connect face to face and start sharing our values.